ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡೈತಿ ಈಗ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಆಯ್ತದ, ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ, ವಾಡದ್ ನನ್ನ ಲಾರಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಹತ್ತಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಯ್ತವ್ರೆ ಅಂತದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಯ ಈಗ. You have already seen the capture operation of a wild elephant named Seege on my own channel, Pinaki the Phantom. Thank you for your encouragement. The sun was slipping westward from a village of Sakleshpur when Seege had loaded into a lorry. The lorry carrying the elephant was on its way to Dubare Elephant Camp. Till the Kudlipete border, the local boys followed the lorry. The boys of the forest department were standing here and there, throwing water on the elephant, and it is right to do so because the anesthetic injection has been given. A 15-minute journey from Kushalnagar town to Dubare. But there is no bridge over the river Kaveri. The elephant camp is located on the other side of the river. So from Kushalnagar come to Piriyapatna and come to Siddhapur road. From there 10 kilometers into the dense forest in Maldare. Inaccessible forest, completely off-road. It takes at least an hour to cover a distance of 10 kilometers. As soon as Dubare arrived in the elephant camp, the tribals working for the forest department were ready. The team of camp elephants was also ready. 4 to 5 trailed bulls stopped around the lorry. Cleverly, a rope was tied to the leg of the wild elephant. This is not new to them. The wild elephant was already fully conscious. It roared as if the lorry had rolled over. The mahouts and kavadigas were not at all disturbed. They tied a rope around the neck and legs of the wild elephant like a chain around the neck of a puppy. 2 male elephants in front of them pulled the wild elephant out of the lorry. In the past, 2 more camp elephants stopped at the escort. As I watched, the white elephant Seege was walking like a puppy. In just 10 minutes, the white elephant was dragged into a cage of logs. Another 10 minutes, the kraal was locked with heavy locks. Beside Seege, in another kraal, the KARADI Elephant was logging. In the coffee estates of Sakleshpur and Belur Taluk, the KARADI Elephant and the Seege Elephant used to fight. They fought for a human. The KARADI Elephant was captured 2 days ago and brought to Dubare camp and kept in captivity. The moment Seege elephant saw the KARADI elephant, it seemed as if the KARADI elephant was falling down and logging. It was trying to break the locks of the kraal. The KARADI elephant next to him was logging, as if our power would not walk in front of humans. This is the story of 6 months ago. Now, both KARADI and Seege elephants are like goats. If you sit down, you will sit. Come means they come.